Did you know that the internal battery inside most common e-cigarettes and vaporizers is completely compatible with most dash cams? These are typically 3.7 volt lithium ion or lithium polymer type batteries, and they are rechargeable. Once you've removed all the screws, stop, be careful. Don't just rip the thing open. You'll rip and destroy all the internal wiring and destroy your dash cam. Very slowly and carefully pry the case open, but watch out for any wires that may be connected to anything and carefully disconnect them. Just don't lose the screws. Make sure you remember where they go. In my case, my battery is hidden under a second circuit board, which I must also remove. Everything's pretty simple and straightforward for the most part. Just remove all the screws, open up the casing, cut out the old battery, splice in and solder the new battery, close everything up, and bam, you have a working dash cam again. And this is a battery down here. It's a 250 mAh 3.7 volt lithium polymer battery. Having a dash cam with a dead internal battery can be frustrating. When the internal battery no longer holds a charge, the dash cam will no longer hold a time or date, nor will it continue recording video footage when it loses power from the car, possibly leading to corrupt and unplayable video files. It's taken some moving things around, but this battery is sure to fit. So it looks like we're good to go. Just cut the old battery out. In my case, I have to extend the wiring because the original wiring isn't long enough for this longer type of battery. Once the extension wire is attached, just attach the battery, twist the wires, and solder everything together.
Where next?
Where they're headed. Home. Sheriff, we're involved in the barrel manhunt in a very private way.
Tough place to grow up. I was always missing. Short stuff, maybe a little.
Carefully reassemble everything, reconnect any wires, put all the screws back, and hopefully remember which screws went where.
Also said he had a clear shot at it. The idea on Barrow and Parker.
You're mad.
You're a tenement to get out of this now. You just have to shoot people. Good eye. How do they just walk?
And bam! Looks like we have a working dash cam. Questions, comments? Leave them down below. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to Network 126.